Hi everyone, welcome back. I hope you're doing well. Before anything else, I just want to start by thanking God for everything, for the year that's gone by, for the people, the experiences, and for being able to step into a new year with so much gratitude. So, this vlog is from New Year's week and it felt really special in a very simple, quiet way. Around 11:30, we left to go to the city center and wow, it was beautiful. There were fireworks everywhere. The sky was just filled with colors, people cheering, everyone stopping to look up. It felt like such a perfect way to welcome 2026. Standing there surrounded by light, noise, and excitement, it really felt like a fresh beginning. A few days later, I ended up making a cake with some leftover batter from my blueberry cheesecake. If you remember that, I put in a detailed video on how I made my blueberry cheesecake in my past video. If you want to go check it out, please go and check it out. And then it snowed. This part still feels unreal to say out loud. It's always been a dream of mine to see snowfall, and now this is just my usual winter. The whole city turns white, everything felt quieter, slower, almost like the world paused for a moment. I don't think I'll ever get used to how beautiful this is. And later that week, we went to the movies to watch Durandar. A friend from India had suggested that I watch it in the theatre, and since it wasn't screening in the Netherlands, I knew I had to go now. It was such a fun watch, but I have my opinions. I'm glad I got to experience it on the big screen. That's pretty much how New Year's week looked for me. Thank you for spending this time with me, and I hope 2026 is kind to all of us. I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye bye.